Oh Lord, we got another messy commenter. Welcome to Order in the Court. It's your favorite attorney, Attorney Allie Booker, but I got this judge's robe on, so I'll be judging in order in the court today. You already know what time it is. You're supposed to write me with your shit, and then I'm supposed to bring you to the court of my public opinion. I'm supposed to let you know. Now, I'm going to give you my personal opinion, my public opinion, so don't take this as legal advice. Don't do it. This may or may not work for your particular problem, because I'm not your attorney. Okay, you got to pay me for all that. You got to get in, then I can really give you some real advice. This, it's just a quick one. It's a snippet, snock of the rule. So don't come over here telling me what didn't work. Give me better facts. Okay? Anyways, without further ado, let's get it crack-a-lacking. My supervisor maliciously screwed screws in the side walls of both my passenger tires. I'll be fired for reporting, won't I? This was witnessed by a receptionist. It cost me over $700 to replace the two tires. Bitch, what? The receptionist said it? Now, I'm afraid I'll be fired if I report it, since his father is one of the owners. Bitch, report it. So his pants off them. What are my rights, and what can I do to prevent his retaliation once I reveal what he's done? I am terrified. Bitch, you are paid. You are not terrified. You is paid. Get it together and understand where you're at so you can pull yourself together, okay? Because stuff like this happens to people and they can't hold it together. So you got to be able to hold it together. Look, if your boss is a little child that clearly is an adult but ain't grown up all the way, it's still acting like a fucking brat, it's gonna put some nails and some screws in your damn tie. Do you really want to work at that motherfucker? Because what if he turns the cameras off one day so he can really put your shit on flat, bust the window out? You don't want to really work there anyways. But what you want to do is get your bag before you go. You don't want to quit because you want them to fire you wrongfully, okay? And you want to make sure that you get a state level retaliation case. And the reason that I say it's state level is because I don't see where, the retaliation is due to any sort of discrimination or anything. It just seems like you don't get along with the boss's child and the child is still a bitch. So I see a state level retaliation if you can prove, that that's what happened. So what you're going to do is you're going to put everything in writing. Now, first you have to talk to this receptionist, because the bitch may come back and say she or he never told you that. And I would assume that person wants their job. So if that person is not willing to speak out against it, you may have to put like a little camera or something else in your car to catch it, because the receptionist may lie, okay, and say they didn't say it. And that's going to be a problem when you're dealing with administrative issues, meaning you dealing with your employer and filing an internal complaint, okay? And then any external complaint that you file with Texas Workforce Commission, honey, they going to say the receptionist said it. So you got to make sure you don't want to wind up like Tasha K. You got to make sure you have somebody who you can trust, who's going to tell the truth about what was said and what they saw and going to stand by. They're not going to stick beside you. You got to find another way. Now, I know I hate to tell you this, but I'm just being honest. I told you I'm going to be personal. I'm going to be straight up with you. But you don't want to quit because you don't want to just give them an easy run. Okay? They want you to leave. So don't just quit. You're going to need to file, though, a written complaint. But again, be very careful filing a written complaint based on somebody else's word if you don't have any other proof that is tangible that you could put in your hand. Okay? Because if the person changes their mind, your ass is stuck out by your damn self. So I don't know what to tell your ass to do. I would just fight their ass and then file for the shit. But if the receptionist is going to fold like a brown paper bag, you might need to set the damn kid up, the grown-up kid. So you may need to put a little, like I said, get your little camera. It's a lot of those hunting cameras and shit like that. The light don't come on. It only comes on when somebody moves near it. You may need to put one of them out there on your car to catch his ass by your vehicle. That may be something that you may need to do. Next case. He don't like you, child. Catch him another way, though.
Sitting here behind these walls. Think it's time I made that call. I'm locked up and facing charges. Who gon' fight these cases for me? I called Booker Law Firm. They got the job done. They were right there for me.
For more information, contact the Booker Law Firm at 713-292-2225 or visit the website at bookerlawfirm.com.